Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of my mini album series with the Wednesday mini album. I am using scrapdivadesigns.com's dies. I am using the baby girl mini album as well as extra dies, which I will have below. So I'm using the essentials die, I'm using the gumball add-on Halloween die. I'm also using the pin flag die. I'm also using the flower die as well as another. So here's her information. Check her out. Follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from other talented crafters, as well as I have a discount for you. It's V10%. That's VEE10 with the percent sign. I am using some Etsy digital papers, and I will have that link below. So I just showed you a little recap there. You can go to part 1 and see the full display of that. This is where we left off. Part 1, we did the front cover and the back. So now we're going to do the first page as well as the back of the cover. So I'm going to start off with this LCI cardstock. I'm also showing you here the mini album tabs that I created. Scrap Diva Designs does have a die for that. I'm recreating my own. I don't have that die, however, I'm recreating it with the pin flag die. So these are my images. I already pre-stamped them and colored them with some alcohol markers. I did do some masking for Morticia and Gomez, so they're originally separated and I have them together. I'm also using this SVG file from the Silhouette Design Store. I thought it went well with the scene that I'm creating today. It is a buggy, however, I thought it really looked like their vehicle from the back. The vehicle is changed up a bit. I did do some modifications on that, so you can see the difference if you go to the link in the description. That's the Essentials die cut. I'm using that for photos or journaling. Here I'm putting together my mini album tabs. In part 1, I do show you how I made those. So head on over, it'll be linked below. Here I'm making sure that I place those tabs properly in the right position, and it looks great to me. I'm liking how it looks. I'm getting out the base die cut here. I'm going to start on the backgrounds of my first page. I decided to go with this one, Nevermore Academy. I wanted that to show right on top of the dress, considering the scene that I'm making will be the first day of school for Wednesday at Nevermore Academy. So I'm done die cutting them out. I like how it looks. I'm showing you here the circle die cut as a folder. I'm also showing you that I die cut out the front for that, which will be the background for Wednesday. I made sure the letters for Academy would be centered to the background of the dress for the word Academy as well. Well, here I'm going to glue down the background. I'm using the Barely Arts. No hot glue today. I didn't want to risk ruining the digital paper. I'm not sure how the hot glue would take to laser ink, so I wasn't sure. So, I mean, it came out really good. The base for the dress is 110 pounds, so I knew that using Barely Arts would be fine. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to position all of my pieces. I decide that I'm going to do the circle die cut first, and I also use Barely Arts for that. And I cut off the excess of that front circle die, and that way the opening would open properly. And so there you can place a photo or some journaling. I'm going to start on the vehicle. It's an SVG file from the Silhouette Design Store. Okay, so I did do some alcohol marker coloring on this, just for the window, the lights, and the bumper. As far as the vehicle color, I used the digital paper for that. So I went with the spider webs for that. I'm trying to figure out where I want Gomez and Morticia at, as well as the vehicle. I really wanted the vehicle and Gomez and Morticia to be in the same page. However, it didn't work out that way. I really wanted Wednesday to be in front of the school. I wanted her to be, sad going into Nevermore Academy. However, it didn't work out that way. So I had to put Gomez and Morticia in front of the school. The school is actually a haunted house for my stash. It's a die cut for my stash. So I thought it looked like the school, so I ended up going with that. And the vehicle is going to be on the other side, left-hand side, with Wednesday. So I did do an accordion for Morticia and Gomez. This, you could put multiple pictures as well as journaling front and back. And I used the Essentials die to do that. I'm also putting a cover on that and going to putting Morticia and Gomez right on top of that with some double-sided foam adhesive. So I also use Barely Arts to glue it all together. I'm also using a fence die for my stash. Here's the school per se. I just love it. I love that it kind of looks like the school. And it has the balcony just like the school does, a part of the school. And so I really wanted Wednesday to be on that side, but it didn't work out that way. Gomez and Morticia, they just fit well better there. So I'm going to layer up the fence with some double-sided foam adhesive to make a sort of a tuck spot. And I sandwich those two fences together to make one piece. And I glue it all down. And later, I wasn't sure how I was going to incorporate like a tuck spot. So I ended up die cutting another circle, putting it right behind the fence, gluing that down. And the accordion will go right over that. And so the fence will be sandwiched in between the accordion circle and the die cut circle. So it worked out. I just love how it turned out that way. And took me a while to figure that out for a minute there. I just did not want the fence just to be there. I didn't think it would hold the accordion. I thought the accordion would be too heavy. So it worked out in the end, and I'm glad it did. I'm gluing down the vehicle here. I'm popping up Wednesday on some double-sided foam adhesive as well. And I'm going to use a sentiment for her that came with a stamp set. And I just love this scene, her first day of school, where they take her to school. And the sentiment is such a cute sentiment. Also made a pic. This just about concludes the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. I really enjoyed making it. I'm still thinking about adding some leaves there. I haven't did that to the front. I'm still thinking about it as well. So I'm thinking it needs leaves and roses. So I'm not sure. I added a die cut that said October 31st. That is a die cut I picked up from Amazon. And there is the bat pick. I just love including picks and clips and paper clips in my albums. And I just love how this turned out. And I think this page will house a lot of pictures and journaling. So great page, and I can't wait to make the second page. I hope you enjoyed that, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video.